Welcome to iRise online classes. In the last class, I have discussed 100 problems. We go to the next question. Question number 101. If x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 4, what is the value of x power 4 plus y power 4? Here, if x plus y is equal to 10, then x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 100. Already you know that xy is equal to 4 given. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 100 minus 4 into 2, 8. 100 minus 8, which is equal to 92. If x square plus y square is 92, then again squaring on both sides, x power 4 plus y power 4 plus 2x square y square is equal to 92 square. Okay? This is x power 4 plus y power 4 is equal to 92 square minus 2 times x square y square. xy is 4, x square y square is 4 square. So therefore, this is equal to 92 square minus 2 into 16. See units digits carefully. The units digit here is 4. The units digit here is 262. Therefore, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Units place is 2. Only one option is there having a units digit as 2. Okay. So calculation is simple. Just squaring on both sides 2 times gives the answer. Okay. We go to the next question. What is the value of 0.013 whole cube? Actually, this type of questions given, so it is related to an algebraic formula. See carefully the formula. This is in the form of a cube plus b cubed by a square minus ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b. Here, this is the formula. See the formula. In the place of a, we have 0.013 whole cube. In the place of b, we have 0.007 whole cube. So, product of these two is this one. By a square, 0.007 whole square. Actually, this is b square. This into this plus 0.013 whole square, this is a square, and 0.013 into this one, 0.013 into 0.007, this is nothing but a cube plus b cubed by a square plus b square minus ab, which is equal to a plus b, 0.013 plus 0.007. If we add these two, we get the answer as 0.02. 0.02 is the answer. Okay? Simple question based on this formula. A cube plus b cubed by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. Next one. Here, see this question carefully. P is equal to x cube plus y cubed by x minus y whole square plus 3xy. First, I want to consider P. X cube plus y cubed by x minus y whole square plus 3xy. This can be written as a cube plus b cube formula is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is the formula by, if we simplify the denominator, this is a minus b whole square, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 3xy is minus 2xy plus 3xy is xy. Okay, so this is the value of P. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square by x square plus y square plus xy. Okay. Next one, q is equal to, what is q? Q is nothing but x plus y whole square minus 3xy by x cube minus y cube. This is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy is minus xy by, the formula for this is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This is the formula for q. Next, r is this is a simple formula. First I want to find the value of p divided by q is equal to how much? P divided by q. First I want to find p divided by q. So if this is divided by this, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square by x square plus y square plus xy, this is p by, see here, by, okay, q is x square plus y square minus xy by x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Here the terms gets cancelled, this one and the denominator cancel, the numerator cancel. Then this is x plus y by 1 by x minus y, nothing but x minus y. So this is x square minus y square. So this is just p by q value. This is multiplied by r. Then what we get if it is multiplied by r? See here. P divided by q into r is equal to, already p divided by q is x square minus y square into r. R is x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square by x square minus y square. These two gets cancelled. This is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, 2 times a square plus b square. So answer is 2 times x square plus y square. So answer is this one. Okay. So first find p, simplify p and q, divide, and it is multiplied by r. We get this one. Okay. Next question. Question number 104. 27x cube. 27x cube. I want to write 27x cube as 3x whole cube minus 343y cube can be written as 7y whole cube. 7 cube is 343 by 3x minus 7y is equal to, the given condition is ax square plus by square plus 7cxy. The formula is a cube minus b cubed by a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cubed by a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. So a is this one, this is b. A square 9x square plus b square 49y square plus AB. AB is nothing but 3x into 7y, 21xy. So here A is 9, B is 49, 7C is 27, 21, so C is equal to 3. Then what is the question is 4A minus B, 4A minus B plus 5C, plus 5C. 4A, 4 9s 36, minus B 49, plus 5C, 5 3s 15. If we add these two, this is 51 minus 49, so answer is 2. So answer for this question is 2. Understood? So this is a simple formula, a cube minus b cube formula based on the question. This is a 2018 prelims question. Okay, next one. This question is also same as the previous question, but some difference is there. Okay, here I want to write this as x power 6 minus 512 y power 6 can be written as x square whole cube minus 8y square whole cube. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Here the formula for a cube minus b cube is a cube minus b cube is a minus b into, okay, a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I want to use this formula here. A minus b x square a minus b x square minus b is 8y square into a square x power 4 plus ab. If you multiply, this is a and this is b, multiply you get 8x square y square plus b square is 8y whole square, 64y power 4. 64y power 4. Then compare with this one. Compare this with. Here, compare. I want to compare here like this. X square plus ay square into x power 4 minus b x square y square plus c y power 4. Then what is a? A is equal to minus 8. What is minus b is equal to 8? So b is equal to minus 8. C is equal to 64. Then what is a plus b minus c? So the question is a plus b minus c. A is minus 8, b is minus 8, minus c is minus 64. So the total answer is minus 80. The answer is minus 80. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Here the question is same as the previous question, but question is very simple. See carefully the question. 8 into x plus y whole cube minus 27 into x minus y whole cube by 5y minus x is equal to this one, ax square plus bxy plus cy square. Then what is the value of a plus b plus c? Here, see carefully, this is ax square plus bxy plus cy square. If you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, we get directly a plus b plus c. If you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, we directly get a plus b plus c. So, substitute, I want to put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 in the total equation. 8 into 1 plus 1 whole cube minus 27 into 1 minus 1 whole cube by 5 into 1 minus 1 is equal to a plus b plus c. That's all. This is a 2 cube 8, 8 8 is 64 minus this is 0 by 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer is 16. A plus b plus c is equal to 16. So answer is this one. Okay, but actual procedure is somewhat lengthy. Okay, I want to discuss that one also. See carefully, this is a simple question because based on the question a plus b plus c, they want here this is the condition given. If you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, we get the answer. Okay. So direct method, how to get directly? See carefully. Here, this is in the form of 2 into x plus y whole cube minus 3 into x minus y whole cube by this 5y minus x can be written as 2 into x plus y minus 3 into x minus y. This is 5x, 5y minus x is nothing but 2 times x plus y minus 3 into x minus y. This is in the form of a cube minus b cubed by, this is a, this is b. A cube minus b cubed by a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, what is A? A is 2 into x plus y. Here, this is 2 into x plus y whole square, a square, plus AB, 2 into x plus y, 3 into x minus y, plus b square. B is nothing but b square, 3 into x minus y whole square. So this can be written as 4 into x plus y whole square plus 2, 3, 6. 6 into x square minus y square plus 9 into x minus y whole square. This is 4 into x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 6 into x square minus y square plus 9 into x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay? Then compare this with ax square plus bxy plus cy square. What is A? A is nothing but coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square is 4 plus here coefficient of x square is 6 plus here coefficient of x square is 9. Next, coefficient of xy, 4 2's 8. Here coefficient of xy, 9 into minus 2 minus 18. Coefficient of y square, 4. Coefficient of y square, minus 6. Coefficient of y square, 9. So therefore, A is equal to, this is 19. B is equal to minus 10. C is equal to, this is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then what is A plus B plus C? What is A plus B plus C? If you add these two, 26 minus 10, which is equal to 16. So answer for this question is 16. Okay, use any method of getting the answer. Next one. So very simple question, x plus 1 by x is equal to c plus 1 by c. Actually this is given in mains 2016, but it's a very simple question. See the question, we can get the answer. Here if x is equal to c, it is satisfied, and even x is equal to 1 by c also it is satisfied. So answer is c comma 1 by c. C comma 1 by c. Okay, simple question, not necessary to solve. Question number 108. X power 42 plus 1 by x power 21 can be written as x power 21 plus 1 by x power 21. This is given as 7. This is given as a 7. Then the question is x power 84 plus 1 by x power 42, nothing but totally. This can be written as x power 42 plus 1 by x power 42, which is nothing but x power 21 whole square plus 1 by x power 21 whole square. So this is if this is nothing but x plus 1 by x is equal to p, x square plus 1 by x square is p square minus 2. P square, 7 square, 49 minus 2. So answer is 47. The answer for this question is 47. See the next question. If a plus 1 by a is equal to 3, then what is a power 4 plus 1 by a power 4? I want to consider this as p. If x plus 1 by x is equal to p, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square minus 2. 9 minus 2. Formula is p square minus 2, which is equal to 7. Again consider this as x and this as 1 by x. Again, if x plus 1 by x is equal to p, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to again 7 square minus 2 is equal to 49 minus 2, which is equal to 47. So answer for this question is 47. Simple question. Okay, next one. This is also same as the previous question. I want to write this as x minus 1 is equal to 5 root x divided by root x. Root x minus 1 by root x is equal to 5. Then this is in the form of x minus a minus 1 by a is equal to p. A minus 1 by a is equal to p. Then a square plus 1 by a square is equal to p square plus 2. So 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. Again apply the formula. If x plus 1 by x is equal to, consider this as p here, this as p. If x plus 1 by x is p, then what is x square plus 1 by x square, which is equal to p square minus 2. 27 square minus 2, 729 minus 2, 727. Answer is 727. Okay. Simple questions. Next, see this question. 4p by p square minus 4p plus 4 is 1 by 4, where p not equal to 0. Just cross multiply, this is nothing but p square minus 4p plus 4 is equal to 16p. P square plus 4 is equal to 20p divided by p. P plus 4 by p is equal to 20. Then what they want? Just squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. P square plus 16 by p square plus 2p into 4 by p is equal to 400. Okay, here pp gets cancelled. So therefore, the answer for this question is p square plus 16 by p square is equal to 400 minus 8, which is equal to 392. Answer is 392. Understood? Just cross multiply, convert into this form, squaring on both sides. Okay, next question. Five x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 4. Then what is the value of 9x square plus 1 by 25x square? To get the 9x square here, to get a 9x square, the first term must be 3x. So for that, what we have to do? Here the condition is 5x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 4. This is the given condition. I want to multiply by 3 by 5 on both sides. Therefore, this can be written as 5 cancel 3x plus 3 cancel 1 by 5x is equal to 12 by 5. Then squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. This can be written as 9x square plus 1 by 25x square plus 2 into 3x into 1 by 5x is equal to 144 by 25. Here x cancel. Okay, x cancel. Therefore, 9x square plus 1 by 25x square is equal to 144 by 25 minus 6 by 5. Just multiplied and divided by 5. 25 is the LCM. 144 minus 30. So answer is 114. 114 by 25. Okay, the answer is 114 by 25. If you know all these formulae I have given in basics, okay, just rearrange the terms, we get the answer for these questions, please. Total formulae I have given, okay, and how to get those formulae also given. Then based on, if you by heart all these formulae, these problems are very easy. Only few problems are tough. I'll explain. Okay. Please try to solve each question 1 or 2 times if it is tough. Okay. Right. See the next question. 8x minus 1 by 2x is 6. But question is 16x square plus 1 by 16x square. To get 16 here, this is 4, this is also must be 4. So divide by 2. Divide by 2 totally, then it becomes 4x minus 1 by 4x is equal to 3. Okay, this is in the form of a minus 1 by a is equal to p model. If a minus 1 by a is p, then a square plus 1 by a square is equal to p square plus 2. A square 16x square plus 1 by a square 1 by 16x square, p square 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So answer is 11. Just divide by 2, squaring gives the answer. Okay, next one. This is also same, but a reverse model. See the question carefully. If x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 2207, then what is x plus 1 by x? This is the question. Here, I want to add 2 on both sides. Then this can be written as x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 2209. Okay, which is nothing but 47 square. Then what is x square plus 1 by x square? 47. Because options are positive, I want to take only the positive value. Again, adding 2 on both sides, add 2 here. Then this can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 49. Therefore, x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 7. So answer is 7 here. The answer is 7. Okay, next question. See this question carefully. if x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of this? X square plus 8x minus 1 into x cube plus 1 by x whole power minus 1. Here x square minus 1 is equal to 3x from the given condition. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay. And what is x square plus 1 by x square from this? This is nothing but 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. This is p square minus 2. P square, sorry, plus 2. If x minus 1 by x is p, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to p square plus 2. Then what is the given question? I want to write this question as x square plus 8x minus 1 into the power is minus 1. Take x common here. We get x square plus 1 by x square whole power minus 1. The question can be written as x square plus 8x minus 1. What is x power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by x. I want to write 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square whole power minus 1. Divide this by x, we get x plus 8 minus 1 by x by, this is x square plus 1 by x square is the question. Actually, this is the question. Here, what is x minus 1 by x? The value is 3. So, 3 plus 8 numerator. X square plus 1 by x square is 11. This is 11 by 11. So, answer is 1 for this question. The answer is 1. Just rearrange it. Just by taking x common, we get the answer directly. Okay? Next question. This is a question, a good question. If x plus 1 by x plus 7 is 0, then what is x minus 1 by x plus 7? So I want to write this question as x plus 1 by x plus 7 is equal to 0 given. I want to add 7 on both sides. Okay, 7. X plus 7 plus 1 by x plus 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Then what is x plus 7 minus 1 by x plus 7? If you find this, we can get the answer easily. So if a plus b values here, a plus 1 by a value is given, then what is a minus 1 by a? Question mark. We know the formula a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square minus 4. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A 1 by a gets cancelled here. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So this is nothing but a plus 1 by a. A is x plus 7. Okay. So I want to write this as x plus 7 plus 1 by x plus 7 whole square minus 4 is nothing but x plus 7 minus 1 by x plus 7. Here the value is 7. 7 square 49 minus 4, which is equal to 45. So x plus 7 plus 1 by, x plus 7 minus 1 by x plus 7 is equal to root of 45, which is equal to 3 root 5. So therefore writing only x here, minus 1 by x plus 7 is equal to, transfer 7 to the right side, 3 root 5 minus 7. This is the answer. 3 root 5 minus 7. Just add 7 on both sides, then apply a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab formula. Okay. Next question. This is also same as this, but a reverse process. How to solve this question? Please solve with me also. Just add 11 on both sides. X plus 11 minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 11. Okay. Then what is the value of x plus 11 plus 1 by x plus 11? We have to find this first. For this, write a plus b whole square is equal to x plus 11 minus 1 by x plus 11 whole square, a minus b whole square, plus 4ab, 4 into x plus 11 into 1 by x plus 11. Okay, see the formula. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is already known. This is 11. 11 11's 121 plus 4, which is equal to 125. Then what is x plus 11 plus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to square root of 125, nothing but 5 root 5. 125 square root is 5 root 5. Therefore, x plus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to, transfer 11 to the right side, the answer is 5 root 5 minus 11. Okay, simple. The answer is 5 root 5 minus 11. A plus b, a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a minus 1 by a whole square plus 4. Okay, this is 121 plus 4, 125. Square root of 125 is 25 5, 5 root 5. Okay, so this is about the question. See the next question. Question number 118. A is equal to 1 by a minus 5, then what is a plus 1 by a? It's very simple question where a is greater than 0. Given condition is a is 1 by a minus 5. So what is a minus 5? 1 by a. What is a minus 1 by a? 5. If a minus 1 by a is 5, what is a plus 1 by a whole square in terms of a minus 1 by a? A minus 1 by a whole square plus 4. The formula is again a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is the formula. Already a minus 1 by a value. What is a minus 1 by a? 5. 5 square 25 plus 4, so 29. So what is a plus 1 by a? Square root of 29. The answer is square root of 29. Okay. Next one. 3x minus 1 by 4x is equal to 6. What is 4x plus 1 by 3x? Here 3x minus 1 by 4x is equal to 6. Just multiplied by 4 by 3 on both sides. 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. This is nothing but 3 3 cancel, 4x minus 4 4 cancel, 1 by 3x is equal to 3 2's cancel, this is 8. Okay, consider this as a minus b. A minus b is equal to 8. Then what is a plus b whole square? 4x plus 1 by 3x whole square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4a. A is 4x, b 1 by 3x. The formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Here Then this can be written as 4x minus 1 by 3x value is 8 square 64 plus here x gets cancelled, which is equal to 16 by 3. Then what is 4x plus 1 by 3x? The square root of 64 plus 16 by 3, just by taking 16 common, 4 root of 16 plus 1 by 3. Okay, sorry, 16 4 64, 4 plus 1 by 3, 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13 by 3, 4 root 13 by 3 is the answer, root of 13 by 3. Okay, all these questions based on the formula, this type of formula. Next question. 3x plus 1, 2 by x is equal to 7. 3x plus 2 by x is equal to 7. Then what is 9x square minus 4 by x square? If you know 3x minus 2 by x value, multiplying these two gives this one question. So if a plus b is given, find a minus b, multiply those two. Here 3x minus 2 by x whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to 3x plus 2 by x whole square, a plus b whole square, minus 4ab, 4 into 3x into 2 by x. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Here x gets cancelled. X gets cancelled. Already 3x plus 2 by x is 7. 7 square 49 minus 4 3 is 12. 12 2 is 24, which is equal to 25. Therefore, 3x minus 2 by x is equal to 5. If this is 5, this value is 5 and this is 7, then multiply these two. Multiply here. Okay, this is a plus b, this is a minus b, which is equal to 9x square minus 4 by x square is equal to 7 into 5. So answer is 35. So answer is 35. Okay.